Have you ever thought solar was simple until you actually tried to hook it up, worrying about panels, controllers, cables, voltage limits? Suddenly what should be clean energy becomes a tangled mess of wires and confusion. Now imagine if it didn't have to be that way. You could just unfold, plug in, and start generating power with almost no setup. And that's exactly what the OptiSolex company is trying to achieve here. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the OptiSolex 440 watt solar bag and the SolexBrick S1. And not as products to buy, but as examples of a different approach to solar. Simple, flexible, and designed for real life. Most people think solar is just about panels. Big panel, more power, right? But in reality, the panel is only half the story. Traditional systems often require wiring expertise, careful configurations, and precise placement just to get close to their potential. A little shade, a weird angle, or a mismatched solar panel, and your expected output turns into a disappointment. Expanding your system later often means rewiring and replacing parts. It works, but it's not exactly approachable or flexible. That's where OptiSolex comes in. The solar bag looks simple, but it's built for everyday use. It's a 440 watt portable solar panel that folds up into a compact carrying bag and splits into two 220 watt halves. You want to lay half of it on the ground and half of it on the roof? Go for it. Angle them different, follow the sun, no problem. It also comes with something I have never seen on a portable solar panel before, and that is built-in USB outputs that you can charge your devices directly with the solar panel itself. It does have the packets for the cables, so everything is ready to go. The idea is to make solar feel like something you can actually carry, place, and use whenever you need it. No engineering degree required. But a panel alone is still not enough. This is why the solar bag is paired with the SolexBrick S1 together. They become as a complete system. One generates power while the other ensures that none of it's wasted. And this small brick right here is what they call the SolexBrick S1. And this is where the solar bag stops being just a panel and starts becoming a complete power system. You can connect the solar bag to the S1, and then the S1 goes directly to your battery. There's no menus, there's no software, and no configuration. Setup takes less than 5 minutes. Even if you have never touched solar before, the S1 manages each panel independently, tracks maximum power in real time, and optimizes output automatically, and coordinates with other S1 units if you expand your system later. Each panel performs to its peak, not to the weak panel, dragging down the rest of the system like you might see in traditional systems. It also allows for modular growth. You can start small with one panel, add more when you need it with no rewiring required. Or you don't even need to use the same type of panel when you're adding on additional panels because this is all optimized with the S1. Together, the solar bag and the SolexBrick S1 solve the problem we talked about earlier: flexibility, portability, and real-world reliability. And the SolexBrick S1 falls somewhere in between a microinverter, a solar charge controller, and a DC optimizer. This is the first product that I've seen as far as mobile solar that can do what it's doing, because this is optimization for a full home system that's AC coupled. This is optimization for a DC coupled full home system. This is more for your on-the-go mobile solar system. Solar charge controllers, these kind of work together, I guess, in a sense, because you could put this on the back of your panel and it optimizes kind of what this thing is actually doing. But look at the footprint that this is compared to that, and compared to a microinverter. And charge controller, these come in all different sizes, but just kind of want to give you an idea of what you're looking at here. Microinverter, solar charge controller, DC optimizer, and the S1. And to help you better understand where the SolexBrick S1 fits in compared to other solar tech, say for home solar, you often hear about microinverters and DC optimizers. They manage power at the panel level as well, making sure shade and mismatched panels don't drag down the whole system. Great for fixed rooftop installations or in-ground systems, as I have on my own house for full home backup, but bulky, required wiring and setup and design for stationary systems, that gets very complex. Traditional MPPT solar charge controllers manage the panel output before sending it to your battery. Reliable, yes, but adding more panels, dealing with shade or expanding often means complex rewiring. The SolexBrick S1 combines the best of both worlds in a compact, mobile-friendly package. It manages each panel independently, optimizes in real time, and allows for that modular expansion without the bulk of a full home system. In short, microinverters and DC optimizers are great for your house. The S1 is built for portability, that flexibility, and the real-world use in camping and RVs and temporary power setups. Now let's see this setup in real world. I have a 440 watt SolarBag connected to the SolexBrick S1, and right next to it, I have a 400 watt all powers panel. At first glance in perfect sun, both panels perform well, but solar rarely stays perfect. A little shade appears, and the SolarBag and the S1 adapt immediately because each panel is managed independently. The shaded area contributes what it can, while the unshaded area stays at full output. Nothing drags the system down. The all powers panel, on the other hand, is a single unit, and shade hits it and output drops significantly. Even small angle changes makes a big difference. The SolarBag split design adds more flexibility. I can move one half to chase the sunlight, angle the other half differently, or place them on two separate surfaces. Meanwhile, the S1 makes sure that the unit watt collected is optimized. No guessing or wasted energy. And if I expand the system later with panels or S1 units, everything still works seamlessly. No rewiring or reconfiguration. If I were to do that on the all powers panel, then I would have to make sure to try to find another all powers panel exactly like the one that I have here. So this just gives a lot of flexibility in this system with the OptiSolex. And this is what makes OptiSolex different. The core idea is simple, that solar should be approachable, modular, and practical. The 440 watt SolarBag shows portability and flexible placement, where the SolexBrick S1 brings optimization and future expansion. Together, they show a different approach to solar. It's not about selling a product. It's about showing how solar fits into everyday life, RV users, outdoor adventurers, and anyone curious about creating clean energy. If you've ever been intimidated by solar setups, this system offers a glimpse of what it could be like. Simplified, flexible, and practical. That's OptiSolex's vision, to make solar easy to understand and easy to set up and enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching.